Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Connex AI Agents Builder to see if this platform is truly the best website to build an AI agent chatbot, and more importantly, if it's worth your time and money. Right off the bat, Connex AI presents itself as a powerful no-code platform that allows you to create and deploy AI agents in minutes, not months. The promise is to automate complex workflows and enhance customer engagement without needing any technical expertise. The website highlights its ability to connect to any data source, like websites or uploaded files, allowing the AI agent to have instant context and provide accurate, relevant answers. It emphasizes real-time web search capabilities, meaning your AI can pull in the latest information to stay current, which is a huge plus for dynamic fields. The platform also boasts extensive integration options, connecting with thousands of apps through Zapier to automate actions. They claim to offer customizable deployment options, letting you embed your AI agent on your website, use it as an API, or even interact with it via popular messaging apps like WhatsApp. The focus is strongly on business applications, from generating qualified leads and providing 24/7 customer support to acting as an on-demand internal expert for your team. For the positive aspects, the no-code aspect is incredibly appealing for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to leverage AI quickly.
The real-time web search and data connectivity features are powerful tools for ensuring the AI doesn't become outdated. The multi-agent system is innovative for handling complex multi-step problems. However, the website itself is light on specific details regarding pricing, which is a significant negative. Thanks for watching.